हो गया? नहीं तो तुम भी दे सकते हो ना मेरा इंट्रो नहीं? हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आई होप कि आप सब बहुत बढ़िया हो. I wasn't there on Insta or on any social media for 24 days, and it has a very, very, very big reason. The reason is, the reason is that both of us has attempted fastest all India 28 state capital 6 union territories in 24 days with the total kilometers of 16,300, and we just back home. It's a very different feeling.
24 days of riding non-stop.
After 24 days of non-stop riding, it wasn't a joke. Like, we started on 28th, 6 in the morning, and today we're back here at 4 o'clock.
Hello.
I'm so bloody, I'm happy because we are the first couple in India who ever attempted something like that, and we successfully did it. Other thing is that we never attempted anything like that. It was a fully riding, like it was a next level of endurance riding. From my experience, I've been riding from 5.5 years. Praveen has been riding from 25 years, and this combination of passion, experience, and a support of so many people. Like, I would not say so many, like not 1,000, only 7 people, and I would gonna take their names because they deserve the credit for where we are today. And thanks to Ankit, Nilash from Mumbai, Ankit Gandhi, everybody knows them, Ansh Bhaiya, Ansh Rider, Sumit from Jammu, Sujit and Arpan from Siliguri, Meri Puli from Silchar and Kolkata, and our Shatabdi, who's just behind the camera, who's always there to tell that you guys can do it, It wasn't easy. When I'm saying it wasn't easy, let me show you the bike. Come. Now this is my bike right now. My odometer is not working from last 7 days. Shatabdi dhakka marti hui khile. Odometer display is not working. We had couple of incidents, and our ride was one ride and say heal the world. We completely did this ride by ourselves, and yes, and you can also see that the chassis was cut 6 days back. Praveen's bike chassis was cut from 5 places. We got it welded, and he could actually able to ride till here. You could see the lot of welding. So that's how our bike looks. We are happy that we did it on KTM. We got a fantastic service support from KTM, where all we stopped in multiple places, dude. It's like 28 states
All the state capitals, union territories, all the state capitals and union territories. So yeah, fantastic. I would say lovely. It was a difficult ride, riding from -11 to 30 degrees, and having temperature switching from 5 degrees to 30 degrees.
In a span of 12 hours, we rode in -5 to 30 degrees.
Thank you.
So no, I'm coming live after 25 days, dude. There are a couple of scars of the ride, but that's okay. In the end of it, we were so strong. I think I would say we will do a proper, a meetup and everything after this, because we were not connected with anybody for the 25 days and the 24 days, and lost couple of weight and looks slim. So the ride can also, you don't need to do workout. You can just go on a ride, don't do social media, and you can be like this. You can. It is an achievement. It is definitely an achievement. I'm very happy. I feel proud. I feel very blessed that we all the prayers of other people who were aware about that we were doing this ride. Their prayers were with us, and I'm satisfied till here. Like my 5 years of riding, I think I always wanted to do this. I shared this thought with Praveen. Praveen 8 months back that I wanted to do All India. He was like, do you think you can do it? And I said, let's do it. And that's the time when we started our planning. It's not a one-day job. As I told you that we were doing endurance riding, but it was more for exploration. But this ride, please don't say that you guys were unsafe, why did you do that and all that, because I don't have a space for it. Because how we did it is a pure within the safety. So the places where required 30 kilometers per hour, we were in 30 kilometers per hour. And where it requires 120, we were in 120. So we were definitely not in the place where people can say that you guys do record because you are doing unsafe stuff. It's not unsafe. It's a 8 months planning. From the bike, I have invested a lot of money before start the ride. So that's how you should plan. We will gonna have an open up session about this ride. But I just want to say I'm very happy. Apparently I'm the first female rider in India who attempted this and who successfully finished this whole ride. I don't know what's gonna happen after this, but we are looking at what we are doing next. Our ride gonna be more better, our connection's gonna be more better, our passion, our connection, our love, everything's gonna be better. And I want to say, Praveen, thank you. If you weren't there, nahi hota bhai. So I'm so happy that this bond, this trust, this confidence. We had like couple of incidents where we just had some really good ones, and we just woke up and like, okay, let's go. We just waited for a couple of times and then we started again. So it's all about how consistent you are. We were very, very disciplined throughout the ride. 14 hours of riding and minimum 5 to 6 hours of sleep we took. We didn't ride with 2 hours of sleep, no. There were times when we took 8 hours of sleep also. So you should do a ride where your mind, body, soul and your bike is connected. Everything will gonna set in place. This is what happened with us. And for now I'm gonna say bye because I'm very excited. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna celebrate with my people, and I want to say thank you so much for listening to me. And anytime you guys want to know anything, I'm there, connect with me. And I want to say keep riding, happy riding, love yourself, love people, heal the world, heal yourself, right? So just say bye. Thank you, Shatabdi. You always been a love to us and a support throughout the ride. There were times when she knows where I lost my temper. I just like, no, ho jayega. And that's the thing was there in our head. And it happened. Thank you so much. Bye.